January 2022, we had called a meeting from Yipft. This is a very important meeting for us today. So in this meeting, we call all the organizational leaders like ATISA, IWFT, and youths, and the honorable members also present here. So after long discussion, we have taken we have adopted the important decision that our party after the ADC election, we have become a little bit weak. So to strengthen our party, or to revive or to restore our party, so we will move or to forward or to strengthen our party. So we have 33 divisions, and all the division will do the activities, mass gathering, light mass gathering, Uttan Sabha or light Bazar Sabha. So from here, so we will give the direction to our party to start our movement or activities from the next month. And so from this meeting, we will propose to conduct a state conference IPT party, because our honorable NC sir has become a weak because of his healthy. So to support or to give a direction to our party, we did like to conduct a state conference immediately.